Welcome to Kaumudy Global. Now, listen to this touching story of 13-year-old Alyssa from Leicester in UK, who was diagnosed with T-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia in May last year. The T-cells were growing out of control and her cancer was aggressive. All treatments, including chemotherapy and then a bone marrow transplant, went in vain. According to a BBC report, doctors at Great Ormond Street Hospital used base editing to perform a feat of biological engineering to build her a new living drug. Surprisingly, after 6 months, the cancer was gone. It was undetectable, but doctors are still monitoring Alyssa in case cancer returns, the report added. Alyssa told the BBC, "Eventually, I would have passed away." Her mother, Kiona, said, "This time last year, I was dreading Christmas, thinking this is our last with her. I just cried through Alyssa's 13th birthday in January." Base editing was invented only 6 years ago. Bases are the language of life. The 4 types of base that are adenine, cytosine, guanine, and thymine. These are the building blocks of our genetic code. Just as letters in the alphabet spell out words that carry meaning, the billions of bases in our DNA spell out the instruction manual for our body, BBC report said. Base editing lets scientists zoom into a precise part of the genetic code and then alter the molecular structure of just one base, then converting it into another and changing the genetic instructions. This base editing tool was able to kill Alyssa's cancerous T-cells. She is the first patient to be treated with this technology. This genetic manipulation was a very fast-moving area of science with enormous potential across a range of diseases, said Professor Wasim Qasim from UCL and Great Ormond Street. Alyssa spent 16 weeks in the hospital. She was left vulnerable to infection as the designer cells attacked both the cancerous T-cells in her body and those that protect her from disease. She was in remission for a month and was given a second bone marrow transplant to build her immune system. The report said that the 2 most recent investigations have been clear. You just learn to appreciate every little thing. I am just so grateful that I am here now. It's crazy. It's just amazing I have been able to have this opportunity. I am very thankful for it and it's going to help other children as well in the future, Alyssa said. Alyssa was diagnosed with T-cell leukemia in May 2021 after a long period of illness when the family thought it was due to cold, viruses, or general tiredness. Let us pray for the health of Alyssa.